a lot of people have been speculating as to whether you are part of the, Nigerian Secret Service, because recently we saw you get promoted. Because a lot of people don't really know that you are part of the either Nigerian police force or some, defense forces. But we recently saw you get promoted. So, are you part of the Nigerian Secret Service, and how come you got that promotion? And have you been getting intel from Zambia in any way? And were you sort of influencing the political atmosphere due to the fact that you had some sort of secret mission?
What many people don't know, I'm somebody that I am a very stupid person when you look at me. Like, for example, when we meet at the mall or on the road or where we are eating or where we are drinking. But I've been in the military since when I was, I've been in the defense since when I was 10 years. And I also heard people who are saying, CR1 is hungry, so that's why he joined the military. I didn't join military. I didn't join the defense today. I have been there for many years, but it's part of the things that I don't speak about in public. But I was not doing secret service or maybe getting information from Zambian government and relating to Nigerian government. My fight with Edgar Lungu and PF government had nothing to do with the Nigerian government. As you can remember, last year, the president of Nigeria sent the Minister of Consul, the ambassador, Nigerian ambassador in South Africa, the chairman of the president of all Nigerians in South Africa, and top dignitaries to my house in Limpopo. They persuaded me to stop fighting the government of Zambia and go for negotiation. They say that Edgar Lungu and his government are complaining that CR1 is destroying our country, is planting division in our country, and they try to use my government against me. But I made it clear to my government to say, I'm not fighting this battle as a military. If you check from the beginning of my broadcast on the 2nd of June 2019, till the day I posted that I got promotion, I was given a 1-star in Nigerian defense. No one knew that I was an army officer. No one knew that I was in the military. So I didn't use that influence. I didn't even talk about anything concerning army. I fought as Dawn of Power. I fought as CR1. I didn't fight as a military officer. There was nothing like Nigerian government influencing the election in Zambia or me getting information or serving as a spy. No, it never happened, and that will never happen. I fought because I wanted the best for the people of Zambia. There are millions of my children in Zambia today. They are now happy today because finally Edgar Lungu is gone.